glass, IKEA glass, normal size, small size, 4 ice cubes, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Then I've got this thing. This thing serves shots. So that's 1 ounce, that's 2 fluid ounces. Okay, 1 fluid ounce, 2 fluid ounce. My margaritas are pretty sweet. They're not extremely sweet, but they're sweeter than the usual. So what I always do is I first start with this. It is called the Margarita Mix Organic by Tres Agaves. Tres Agaves that you can see here. Okay, why you use this? Because this is real ingredients. There's nothing toxic in it. You have to try it out in order to know if you like it. This is the best mix I've ever found. It's really gigantically good. You can taste the actual lime juice. Like normally in normal margarita mixes, they're not great. You can also buy your own margarita mix and do it yourself, but I think this is great if you want a little sweeter margarita. It's not gonna be ultra sweet, trust me, it's just gonna be good enough. Okay, so you put this, and the reason why I first put this in is I keep that in the fridge, so it's already cold. So when I put it in the glass, it does not melt immediately the ice. Okay, I just put a little bit, so right now it's like up to here approximately on the glass, like right there, approximately here, and I just put that for starts. I will finish the drink by putting more afterwards. Then second ingredient, some tequila. You do not need good tequila to do margarita. The reason being that if you use good tequila, you're gonna not taste it with the margarita anyway, because it's going to add so much more to it. So just use cheap margarita, double quote cheap. This is not the cheapest tequila that you can use. I'm saying using cheap tequila in a margarita. Jose Cuervo is like a pretty cheap one, but it's not the cheapest. A really cheap one will taste awful. This one's just good enough. Okay, so one ounce, 1 fluid ounce of things. Normally it's 2, I only use 1. Okay, ready, I'm going to put it in there. Okay, perfect. There we go, that's 1 ounce in the glass. Sorry, you can't see the glass, but trust me, it's now in there. The glass is now full up to here. All right, last ingredient. That's pretty hard to get. That's Cointreau, okay? Cointreau. This is a French liquor. It is extremely expensive in the US, unfortunately. 1 liter, this is 1 liter. This is half a gallon approximately. This is $50, unfortunately. I cannot find any that is cheaper in the US. I find it at Bevmo, so if you want it, you can have it there. If you don't have Cointreau, or if you can't find it, or if you don't want to try it out, you can use triple sec. Triple sec is also sweet by default, so it should be enough. What I love about Cointreau is that it has an orange taste. Tastes like orange, which means that it adds this orange taste to the margarita, which is great. So anyway, here's 1 ounce, 1 fluid ounce of Cointreau, and not more than that. All right, 1 fluid ounce. There we go. All right, it's in the glass. There we go. Completely in the glass. So now my glass is filled up to here, and I'm just going to finish filling up the glass with the mix. That's it. All right. There we go. Stop. Ah. Don't want to. I'm the only one drinking out of this bottle, by the way, just so you know. No, I'm not serving margaritas to other people with that. Okay, my margarita is actually now ready. So you twist it. I forgot a no, I actually have a spoon. Never mind. Doop, there we go. You mix it a little bit, and you now have. Oh my God, this is so. You now have the most delicious margarita in the world. I'm not kidding. This is absolutely delicious. Oh my God. Look at this color too. Sorry, the glass is kind of shit, but you can't really see, but it is so good. It's not too sweet. You can taste the lime so well. And also, the secret is that normally a margarita is made with 2 ounces of tequila and 1.5 ounces of triple sec or Cointreau. I have only 1 ounce of each, so it's literally 1 shot. So it's pretty light in terms of alcohol. but so you really enjoy the actual mix a lot. How does it taste? Tastes fantastic, very fresh because of the ice cube. Please do not serve a margarita without ice cubes, you really need that. And it tastes very light, and it's still alcoholic. You can taste the alcohol, but it's a mix of lime juice and orange, and I don't know, you have to try it out.